Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholamrezai from Uri Architecture Academy. In this video, we will check how to place the camera in SketchUp. One of the most important tools in this section is called field of view. In reality, different camera lenses determine our field of view. This tool, according to reality, helps us to have more or less viewing angle. As you can see in the images that I searched, you can see the amount of field of view with the different camera lenses. As you can see, different camera lenses. For example, a 50 millimeters lens show us an angle of 180 degrees like a fish eye. So our camera does not move. Only the camera lens changes. So as you can see in the images that I searched, you can see the amount of field of view with different camera lenses. And for example, a 50 millimeters lens shows us an angle of 180 degrees like a fish eye. And so our camera doesn't move, only the camera lens changes. There is another tool called look around that allows us to see different angles in a fixed location. And the next tool is called two-point perspective, which is widely used in architectural photography. Depending on the project we are working on, we can use the feature or not. It can be very useful for projects that are on street corners. So it can be very useful for projects that are on street corners. I have already used different sequences. Now we want to set an angle together. Pay attention to the height of human vision. In order to get a more professional result, I suggest you visit professional architectural photography. You can do this easily with Google search, and getting ideas from these photographs will be very useful. Instagram and Pinterest can be good source to see professional architectural photo. Proportions are very important in photography. To use the two-point perspective, we must pay attention to the field of view. Too much field of view can give the viewer a wrong impression of the project. The next issue that we will examine in the tier rendering course for SketchUp is natural lighting.